Hi, everybody. We are Team One. My name is Eric, and my colleague is Philip. Um, Today, we will demonstrate our 3D adventure game built in Java. First, software requirement specification. The 3D adventure game allows exploration, NPC, interaction, puzzle solving, item collection, and quests completion. Users can move, interact, collect items, solve puzzles, complete quests. Player, NPC, item, quests, puzzle, inventory, and world objects are managed. Player, NPC, item, keyboard, mouse, UI, menus, and local file system are all software interfaces that we use for our game. Software behavior activities and sequences are handled through state-based logic. Okay. System design specification. Architecture design is layered architecture, inputs, game logic, rendering, UI, persistence. Data in class design. Classes include player, NPC, item, quests, puzzle, inventory, managers. Detailed design, game loop process, inputs, update state, and renders output. Database design, ERD include player, item, quests, player inventory, player quests. Our system uses layered architects. Valid input uses WASD. Invalid keys are ignored safely. NPC interaction items. Press E near NPCs or items. Invalid invalid interaction, and it does nothing. Correct interaction solves the puzzle. Incorrect input does not. Player data is stored persistently. So with the game, you will use your mouse to navigate menu option and press enter to start the game. Call out. For call out, you will use Whiskey Alpha Sierra Delta keys to move and mouse to route the camera. Call out, press E near NPC to initiate dialogue and receive quests. Call out. Press I to open inventory. Items appear after value pickup. Call out. Press interaction keys to manipulate puzzle components. Call out. Corrects puzzle input. Triggers environments changes such as door opening. Transition and implementation. We have now briefly presented the system design. We will now demonstrate the implemented and working products, followed by a walkthrough of the actual source code and the issues we resolved during implementation. Source code walkthrough. Main Java. Main was Java/game Java. This file is the entry point of our program. It initializes the game loop, loads the game world, and starts the update and render cycle. Inputs handler dot Java. The class handles keyboard and mouse inputs. Valid inputs such as WASD and E are processed. Invalid inputs are ignored, which prevents unexpected behavior. Source player.java. This class controls player movements and state movements is updated only when the valid input is detected. MPC.java class, MPC manager.java. This class handles MPC interaction. Interaction only occurs when the player is within range and uses and presses the E key. Inventory manager.java. This class manages item pickup and inventory updates. Items are only added when the valid pickup condition are met. Puzzle manager.java. This class manages puzzle logic. Incorrect input does not change the puzzle state, while correct input triggers a world change. Issues resolved during implementation. During implementation, we encountered several issues which we resolved. And one of such issues was invalid key input caused unexpected behavior. We resolved this by validating inputs inside the input handler class. NPC interaction triggered outside the allowed range. We fixed this by adding a distance check. Puzzle states restricts incorrect. We fixed this by tracking puzzle progress using internal and state variable. Critical confirmation. These issues confirm that our project is fully implemented, tested, and functional, not just designed. In conclusion, we demonstrated the design and working product as source, the source code, and the issues resolved during implementation. Thank you.